Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is the first day of 2023. I'm so excited. I woke up feeling super refreshed this morning because we have sun outside even though it's winter, and I'm so extra grateful for that. I just did my morning routine. I actually shared my new morning routine in my New Year reset video while sharing my ideal day for the new year, but I will tell briefly here again. I did my visualization meditation, I did my skincare, definitely upgraded my products. I plan to shoot my full skincare routine very soon on my channel. I made my bed, I finished my water bottle, I planned my day. So I feel like I had a very productive start to my day, and I feel like we just kicked off the new year on a good note. Also had my breakfast. We made some fresh pastries with my mom this morning. We went for a healthy version this time. We used whole wheat flour. The entire house was smelling so good. I enjoyed my coffee. So yeah. I have a few things I want to get done. First, I need to unload the dishwasher. I have 2 volunteering projects I want to apply for. And then I need to edit this video that you're watching right now because today is my upload day. And from there, I guess we will see as we go. Okay, I got a super lovely package from Ana Luisa the other day, so I wanna share what I've got. If you don't know Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand. I partnered with them before and they were so kind to reach me out again with another sponsorship offers. So I want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. I actually have some pieces that I got before, including this ring right here and the 2 other pieces that I'm gonna share with you. But before that, let's check out what we have in the box, shall we? For me, the packaging and the feeling that I get from the products is really important. And I think Ana Luisa has a great balance between being an affordable brand in terms of prices and producing high quality products. You for sure know that they have affordable prices, but on the other hand, when you touch the pieces, the feeling is like, okay, I know where my money is going to. So the quality is on point. I love their designs. I love basically everything about them. So I'm so happy with these earrings and this beautiful ring that I ordered. The previous pieces that I had from Ana Luisa were like, first this ring that I wear a lot, and I have 2 other ones over here. One is this beautiful earrings in another feminine design, I will say, and the other one is this beautiful delicate necklace over here. They currently have an end of year sale at the moment running on their website, which you don't want to miss out because they have up to 70% discounts on some selected items, so make sure to check it out. And this campaign will last till the 10th of January, I believe. But other than that, you can also use my code Cubriella20 for 20% off, or click the link in my description box. Alright, I did some editing. I finished applying for the projects. I thought maybe taking some fresh air would be good. So now I'm heading outside to the local park. There is a so pretty sunset right now. I will be using this hat for the first time ever, and I think I need to put my hair down. How do I look, guys? Hey everyone, it's currently nighttime. I just did my skincare routine. I'm about to wind down for the evening. Actually, a reading session will be so great at the moment, but I ordered my book and it hasn't arrived yet. I'm waiting for that. I ordered Hyperfocus by Chris Bailey, and I'm hoping that it will help me with staying focused and boosting my productivity. So fingers crossed. By the way, I feel like this vlog has been all over the place. I don't know, at least I felt that way. But I hope you guys like this quick New Year vlog. Don't miss the huge end of year sale on Ana Luisa. I will put the links down below so you can check it out. And the last date is 10th of January, as I said, but if you missed that, you always have my code Gabriella20 for 20% off on every item you like. So yeah, happy new year. Love you all, guys.